Hey guys, it's Saga from TechWorks, and in this video, let us unbox and check out this M1 MacBook Air. Now I don't want this video to be too long, so without wasting any time, let us get straight to the unboxing. I love how easy Apple makes it for us to get in these boxes. You don't need any cutters or scissors, just pull on this tab and the box is open. As we open the box, we get the beautiful MacBook Air sitting on the top. Below the MacBook Air, we get the USB Type-C cable for charging this laptop. Then there is some paperwork including warranty information, and with this MacBook Air we get golden Apple stickers. Below that we have this 30-watt charging brick. Now let us keep all these things aside and get back to the MacBook Air. Now I went with the gold color because this is actually going to be my wife's working machine, and out of all three colors, she liked this one the best. But before she starts using it, she agreed to let me use it for a few weeks so I can see if the M1 Max can fit my workflow if I decide to shift to them in the near future. Right now, I am using the 16-inch MacBook Pro and I am pretty happy with it. The only issue I have with it is how hot it gets and how loud the fans on this thing can get as soon as I start using it for some time. Everyone knows that the M1 Max generate much less heat, and when they do get hot, the fans on the MacBook Pro are nowhere as loud as the ones on this 16-inch MacBook Pro. And that's the only reason that I am turning my attention to these new Macs. Around this time, we were anyways looking to upgrade my wife's laptop, so I thought getting the M1 MacBook Air would be a good way to dip our toes in the water to test it out. As I have both these laptops with me, in the next few days I will be doing many tests and comparing their performance side by side. I have seen a lot of review and comparison videos, and everyone has mixed reactions about the performance of the M1 MacBook Air. So I will be doing some testing of my own to see where does it stand in comparison to my 16-inch MacBook Pro. I am aware that it will in no way perform better than the 16-inch MacBook Pro. I just want to see how close it can get to its performance for my workflow. I forgot to mention that this is the base variant of the MacBook Air. So it comes with 8-core M1 processor, 7 GPU cores, 8GB of unified RAM and 256GB of internal storage. All these specs are more than enough for my wife to use it as a work laptop. Down the line, if we feel that the storage is not enough, we can always buy a fast 1TB SSD like the Samsung T7 or something, which costs just 12 or 13,000 rupees. Whereas Apple is asking 20,000 rupees just to go from 256GB to 512GB internally. So that is it for this quick video. Now I'm going to test out a lot of things on this MacBook Air in the coming days. If you have something specific that you want me to cover, or if you have any other questions about this MacBook Air, let me know in the comments. That is it for this video guys. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to the channel for more quality tech videos like this. You can also check out some of the other videos from this channel. This has been Saga, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care.